everybody. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. This is called half square triangles we're going to make, and we're going to make 8 at a time. What I've done is I have cut 2 pieces of fabric at 7 3/4 inches, and I've put them so that they face one another. I've got the pretty sides together. Um, to get the size of half square triangle I want, which is 3.5, I had to double the amount of the size I want. So 3.5 and 3.5 is 6 inches. And then you add 1 3/4 inches to your fabric pieces so that when you get done sewing everything together and you cut it up, you end up with a 3.5 inch half square triangle. Now what I've done is on the lighter fabric, I have marked, and I'm not sure you can see that on camera, a line both directions from corner to corner diagonally. And then I'm going to sew on that line a 1/4 inch away. And actually, if you can get really close in there, you can see that I'm actually sewing just a hair closer than a 1/4 inch away. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go down both sides, 1/4 inch away. Just like this. Quick, easy. And so you don't have to watch me do all 4 seams. I've already done one, and it's right here. This one is already sewn 1/4 inch away from the seams on all sides. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my ruler. Let's see if it's easier for you to see over here than on that side. And I'm going to cut where those lines meet at the intersections, horizontally and vertically. So we've got one cut here. Come on, ruler, work with me today. And then we're going to do it this way so that we get right across those straight lines. See where they meet? Slide you over just a hair so I can get my cutter in there. And then you can do this all at once, but I usually break it up because I want to make sure I get it extremely accurate. And then I'm going to go on the line that I marked, and I'm going to cut 1, 2, 3. Just watch me mess up and make mistakes. That's all right. No big deal. 3. And we all know that almost every single quilt you make has got half square triangles in it, and you're sitting there going, how do I get them accurate? Okay, and then what I do is I take my quilt in a day square up ruler. You can see it right here. And I want 3.5 inch half square triangles when I'm all done. So I'm going to line up my 3.5 inch mark along the seam line. And I'm going to trim my half square triangle right there. And as you can see, I'm like taking whispers of fabric off of there. So when I'm all done, oh, look, I got a bonus there. A little bit of the selvage edge in. I have a 3 inch half square triangle, and I'm going to have 8 of them from that one square, which makes it way easier to be able to make things like the hunter star.